Appreciate y'all tuning in this video today. I don't know about where y'all are at, but here it has been hot. I've been working all day. I've been working on this stinking heater back here, trying to get it ready for winter. Been working all day, and now we're ready to wind down. So we're going to cook some steaks. Today, on these steaks, we're going to cook them to a medium rare, and we're going to use two seasonings alike. And this is Montreal steak seasoning and some of this Southern Flavor charbroil seasoning. Best place to get that stuff probably be on the internet, but you might can find some of it at your local stores. So anyways, how I like to cook these are medium rare. I like to pull them off the grill about 120, 125 degrees. I don't know if you can see how thick they are, but I found when I pull them off at that temperature, they're just right for us. But anyways, again, appreciate you stopping in, watching this video. We're going to season these things and we're going to throw them on the grill. So we got the steak seasoned. We're going to go ahead and cover them up, let them sit for about 30, 40 minutes while I'm getting the grill to temperature. I'm going to get the charcoal grill up about 500 degrees. That way I can get a good sear on them. And after I get that sear, I'm going to pull them off the heat. Then I'm going to pull them off to the side and let them sit there and come up to temperature. All right, so we got them seared on both sides. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull them off the heat, start checking the temperature, and when they get up to 125 degrees, I'm going to pull them off. All right, so the steak's been cooking about 10 minutes, and they're up to 125 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and pull them off. Then we'll carry them in, let them rest for about 3 or 4 or 5 minutes, not that long, and get them plated up and cut them. All right, so we pulled the steaks off the grill, cut one open. They look great on the inside. We're going to go ahead and go up to the house and eat. Anyways, appreciate you tuning in, watching this video. If you will, like and subscribe to my channel. And anyways, we'll see you again next time.